cooking channel. Tonight we're going to make some baked Mostaccioli. And let's take a look at our ingredients. We're going to use Prego, Italian seasoning, black pepper, a box of Mostaccioli, and 2 pounds of the Italian sausage. So let's get this party started. And we're just going to cook this for about 7 minutes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going ahead and work on this sausage here. I did have like a leftover onion from yesterday from making my Philadelphia cheesesteak, so I'm just going to throw the remainder of that onion in there. It's about 1 small onion. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of pepper. More Italian seasoning. Probably going to use about a half a tablespoon of it. Of course, you can season this to your liking, okay? So once the meat has browned, I will come back and we'll do the next step. My Mostaccioli noodles are done. I rinsed them with cold water, and to stop them from cooking, I have them soaking in cold water until we're ready to do our next step. I have the fire on low, you guys. So let's add our sauce. Give this a stir. We're going to let this blend together on low for about 20 to 30 minutes. Get a lid on top of that. And once it's finished, about a half hour, I'll come back to you. We'll go to the next step. Now, I'm just going to pour this in there like this. So mix this very well. All right, we're ready to go in the oven. Let me get my dish. I'm gonna add some olive oil in here, just some spray to prevent it from sticking. This in here. Oh, this is gonna be good, y'all. Got my mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna spread that out like that. You can use as little or as much cheese as you like, especially on this first layer here. Okay. Now we're going to top the rest of it with our remaining sauce. Does not look delicious? Ooh, yes, Jesus. Just going to spread this out as evenly as I possibly can. And then we're going to layer it with some cheese. I would say if y'all in the neighborhood come over, but you know I'm quarantined myself, so maybe once this virus is over and done with, I'll get the grill out and invite everybody over. It's going into the oven, 350 for a half hour. Once it's done, we're gonna come back and sample it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have plated up a dish for us here. What do you think about it? Go ahead and like the video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Always leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the video. Alright, so I'm going to use some hot sauce here. You can use some garlic bread if you want to. Okay, let me get you a bite here. You get some? This is good, y'all. You get a bite? This is so good. I kid you not. I really didn't even need the hot sauce. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. Until then, I thank you for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to wash your hands for 20 seconds, if not more. Y'all stay safe out there. Hope to see you on the next video. Until then, y'all have a blessed evening.